Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for any business aiming for sustainable growth and competitive advantage: unlocking procurement excellence. Forget the old image of procurement as just pushing papers and cutting costs. In today's dynamic market, it's a strategic powerhouse. We'll be unpacking the key pillars of unlocking procurement excellence, from mastering cost management and building rock-solid supplier relationships, to navigating complex risks, ensuring compliance, driving sustainability, and optimizing processes for continuous improvement. Whether you're a seasoned procurement professional or just curious about how businesses optimize their supply chains, this video is packed with actionable insights. Get ready to transform your understanding of procurement and learn how to elevate your organization's performance. Let's get started. A holistic approach to value creation. In today's dynamic and competitive business landscape, procurement has evolved from a mere transactional function to a strategic driver of organizational success. Achieving procurement excellence demands a holistic approach, encompassing cost management, supplier performance, risk mitigation, compliance, sustainability, and continuous improvement. In this video explores these critical facets and outlines how organizations can elevate their procurement practices to create lasting value. 7 key result areas of performance achievement. Number 1, risk management. Number 2, sustainability initiatives. Number 3, compliance standards. Number 4, supplier performance. Number 5, continuous improvement. Number 6, process efficiency. And number 7, cost management. Now we will explore in brief these critical facets can elevate the procurement practices to create the lasting value. Number 1, cost management beyond price negotiation. Effective cost management transcends simple price negotiations. It necessitates a strategic, data-driven approach. Strategic sourcing, proactive identification and selection of suppliers based on comprehensive analysis, leading to optimized contracts and reduced costs. Total cost of ownership, a paradigm shift from focusing solely on purchase price to considering the entire life cycle cost, including maintenance, disposal, and potential risks. Spend analysis, leveraging powerful analytics tools to gain granular visibility into spending patterns, uncovering hidden costs, and identifying savings opportunities. Number 2, supplier performance management, building strategic partnerships. Robust supplier relationships are pivotal for ensuring consistent quality, on-time delivery, and innovation. Supplier relationship management, cultivating collaborative partnerships with key suppliers, fostering open communication, and aligning strategic goals. Performance monitoring, establishing clear performance metrics and implementing robust monitoring systems to track supplier performance and identify areas for improvement. Supplier scorecards, utilizing scorecards to provide objective feedback, drive continuous improvement, and reward high-performing suppliers. Number 3, risk management, safeguarding the supply chain. Supply chain disruptions can have severe consequences. Proactive risk management is crucial for ensuring business continuity. Supply chain resilience, developing contingency plans, diversifying the supplier base, and building redundancy to mitigate potential disruptions. Risk assessment, conducting thorough risk assessments to identify vulnerabilities, evaluate supplier financial stability, and assess geopolitical risks. Technology for risk monitoring, implementing systems that monitor for risks in real time. Number 4. Compliance, upholding ethical standards. Adherence to regulations and ethical sourcing practices is essential for maintaining a positive reputation and avoiding legal liabilities. Regulatory compliance, ensuring compliance with all applicable laws and regulations, including anti-corruption, antitrust, and data privacy. Ethical sourcing, promoting ethical labor practices, environmental protection, and fair trade throughout the supply chain. Auditing and monitoring, implementing robust auditing and monitoring systems to ensure compliance with ethical standards and regulations. Number 5. Sustainability, integrating environmental and social responsibility. Sustainable procurement practices are increasingly vital for building a responsible and resilient supply chain. Sustainable procurement policies, integrating environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors into procurement decisions. Circular economy principles, promoting waste reduction, resource conservation, and the use of recycled materials. Supplier sustainability assessments, evaluating suppliers' sustainability practices and prioritizing those with strong environmental and social performance. Number 6. Continuous improvement. Streamlining a culture of continuous improvement is essential for maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. Continuous improvement culture, fostering a culture where feedback is encouraged, and processes are regularly evaluated and refined. Number 7. Process efficiency. Streamlining processes of continuous improvement is essential for maximizing efficiency. Automation and digitalization, leveraging technology to automate manual processes, improve data accuracy, and enhance efficiency. Process optimization, utilizing methodologies like Lean and Six Sigma to identify and eliminate waste, reduce cycle times, and improve process efficiency. Conclusion. By adopting these principles, organizations can transform their procurement functions from cost centers to strategic value drivers, enhancing competitiveness and contributing to long-term success. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.